computing is a fascinating technology that focuses on developing computer technology based on quantum principles. It has caused a remarkable transformation across different industrial sectors. One such industry where quantum computing has made a world of difference is the pharmaceutical industry by completely reformation drug discovery. The quantum-enabled molecular comparison has proven to be better than the existing methods, which indicates that quantum computing is about to improve the pharmaceutical industry's drug discovery methods and its treatment outcomes. Perceiving the potential results of this approach, several large-scale pharmaceutical companies are deploying quantum task forces and estimating investments to explore the implementation of quantum computers for improved treatment facilities. In this video, we are about to explore the importance of quantum computing in pharma and its future in the industry. Improved drug designing. The primal challenge that pharmaceutical companies face is the expensive deal of clinical trials. To find better ways, scientists are experimenting with artificial intelligence to speed up the process of drug discovery in a cost-effective way. Faster drug formulation, finding antidotes, and solutions for complicated diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's is a lengthy challenge. Quantum computers have the capability to look through all the possible cells and tissues at an incredibly fast pace. This opens opportunities for faster drug formulations. Rapid DNA analysis. Genetic diseases pose a great risk to the healthcare industry. Quantum computing has the power to improve gene analysis, ensure faster sequencing, and account for better genomic data into the health records to identify the patterns of genetic diseases. Optimizing patient care. Through wearables and medical gadgets, patients generate tons of valuable data. Quantum computers can extract insights from those data points quickly, making sure that treatment reaches the patient as soon as possible. Help doctors make life-saving decisions. Advancements in the medical field happen almost constantly, and doctors don't have all the time in the world to read through 4 to 5 medical journals every day. Quantum computing can support doctors in making the right decisions by finding correlations that the human eye would miss. It would help doctors with diagnoses and treatment options that are more effective. For more such insights, subscribe to Analytics Insight.